Thank you.
Yeah, let's try to milkshake. Come up here and be like, let me get that burger for I never ordered modified. I just ordered a burger. I didn't look at that.
Hi, welcome back. We're at Dick's. Okay, Iyesi, get up. Up. So I got Atlas and I food, and now I'm gonna go to Atlas's house. Come on, buddy. But I got 2 burgers and a milkshake. I didn't need to get the milkshake, but it comes out to less than like $10. So, oh, sorry. What's up? I need to find where the fucking bus is. Hold on. I'm not at a concert. It's called Dick's. It's just like it's a fast food joint. I think it might just be in Seattle area. But, dude, you should have... There's this fucking security guard, and he was like, do you guys know that you can't be near the sidewalk? And it's like, oh my god, okay, Dick's police. What the fuck? Like, oh my god, okay, Dick's police. What the fuck? Me too. It's called Dick? No, literally it is. Look. Wait, let me just turn the camera on. And it's so good. I almost got Rocky Road ice cream because I usually do, but I got a chocolate milkshake because I wanted it. And then I got 2 burgers, but we have to go to Atlas's house and then we'll eat the burger. Hopefully no security guard tells me I can't walk on the fucking sidewalk. The security guard is so pressed. I hate security guards. They think they're so like important. Like, shut the fuck up, bro. Oh my god. But they get paid well, so it's like, I guess you can be annoying, but it's like, shut up. Jesus Christ. My dog's right here. He spazzed out. There's a Chihuahua, and he had a freaking tantrum. It was so embarrassing. The people behind me were like, what the fuck is wrong with your dog? I was like, I don't know. He just wants to eat the leash. I can't tell where the fucking light rail is. They all look the same. Yeah, they're so annoying. Also, where's my vape? Okay, found it. I dated a security guard one time. I've dated multiple security guards. Ooh, wait, what the fuck is wrong? Why do I keep doing that? I've also dated like 2 policemen. Wait, you're in Seattle right now? Oh, you were born and raised? Actually, yeah. The people I've dated, I needed to just make like a list, and then we can play Never Have I Ever or something. Leave that dog, don't touch it. your fascinating lore. Maybe I'm just a hoe. I don't know. I don't think it's lore. It's probably just like some weird ass drama. Look at my dog. He's so cute, bro. Who's fronting? It's Oregon. Damn, you're shaking like that. Damn, I tried to go to the bathroom at this grocery store one time and they were like, no, you can't do that. It's like, okay. So when you have to pee here, do you just pee on the floor? Iyesi, you're in North Seattle now? I think so, yeah. I'm in Capitol Hill. I'm in the gay district. If you want to come over and like hang out with me, come hang out with me. I'm a very like free-spirited person. You can just like meet up with me if you want to. Like if I'm ever alive and you see me in public, just come up and like we'll hang out. I'm never nothing I do unless I'm like planning something or like I'm doing an event or like I'm posting something or like I specifically say. You can just always like join me and hang out with me. That's why I live stream. It's just I like having people around. Wait, did I say something racist? Sorry, sometimes I say slurs and I don't realize it. Dude, don't cut the pole. I thought you loved me. Yeah. Let's walk on the same side of the pole. Oh, the bathroom thing? Oh, yeah. Maybe that is a racism. I know where you're at. I went to C community. Oh, wait. That's fucking awesome. Well, if you ever want to go get food, we can go get food together. I eat a lot of food. Like, I'm very obsessed with food. Oh, Iyesi, you're really cute, like, rubbing on my leg like that, but give me a break. Because I'm trying to find my... wait, don't kick me like that. Please. I'm trying to find the card for the bus. Fuck. I could probably get on the bus without paying, but I don't want to do that. Come on. No, I just had it in my finger and then it slipped. Okay. Damn, dude, none of these people paid for the bus. Okay, I guess I'll pay. Okay. I'm going. Ow! My shoulders hurt, guys. I don't know why I have so much dog food just fucking with me. Iyesi, I don't think you can go down an escalator, so I'm just gonna take you down the stairs. Sorry. I don't want to take you down an escalator. That seems like fucking animal abuse or something. Oh my god. I'm going underground, so my connection might go out. Iyesi, please don't fucking like run down the stairs because I will fall and fucking die. Like, I will just die. Like, there's like 50 billion stairs. I would just fucking die. Hey, don't eat that! Well, why are you stopping in front of me? Go, Iyesi. Go. Damn, okay, so the train just got, so I think I'm gonna miss the train. Go! Why are you stopping? Keep going. Go more. Thank you. Forwards. Mush. Keep going. Go. More. Fucking hell. He's scared. Yeah, I know. Shit, where are the stairs? How the fuck am I supposed to get the dog down there? Do I have to carry him? Oh god fucking damn it. Dude, you're so fucking heavy, bro. Are you serious? I have to carry the dog? Oh god, okay. Iyesi, no, I'm gonna do that escalator. That's retarded. Oh my god, that was a slur.